Yes, there are some platforms that you can start with as little as 1,000 naira. Don't worry, in this video, I will share all that information with you guys in this live. Yes. So with as little as 5,000 naira, you can start, and from there you grow your portfolios. From there you grow your investments, and before you know it, you already have so many portfolios left for you. So you don't need so much to start an investment. You don't need to start saving so much. 100 naira a day is okay. 50 naira a day is okay. Yes, 50 naira a day is okay. All these people that you are seeing, they started from somewhere. They started from somewhere. Even I myself, I will still share a video of how I started my savings with the little salary I was collecting. That was 2019, I think so. That was 2019. Come here, guys. Let me quickly do something. Hi, John. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, God. Hope I'm even doing the right thing. Okay. Let me just leave that one by the way. So, with as little as 5,000 naira, you can start this investment. And then, number one investment that I'll be talking about, you guys, this is like, I will talk about this one first. Why? Because I love this investment so much, like so much. And then, I'm even I'm even regretting why I didn't start this investment for far back. Like I started so late. This investment I'll talk about now. I started this investment so late and already reaping the fruits there. And I'm regretting why is it that I didn't start this investment on time. But nevertheless, you are not late, seriously. When it comes to making decisions in life, yes, when it comes to your financial decisions, you are not late. Yes, you are not late. The best time to start is now. The best time to start is now. So don't think that, oh, I'm late already, I cannot even meet up. You can still meet up. So the number one investment I'll be talking about is the mutual funds, you guys. You see this one? If you're sleeping on investment and then you have not done mutual fund, I don't know what you're waiting for. Seriously, you see, mutual fund is one investment that you can just do and then you just forget about it. Why? Hi, Favor. Thank you very much for joining. So, one thing with mutual fund is that the bank, the government, okay, let me just say the bank, they're in charge of your money. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for joining. The bank, they are in charge of money. You're not giving your money to an individual. You're not giving your money to a company. You're not giving your money to anybody. You are giving your money to the bank for them to use. And then the money will yield you interest. So mutual fund is one investment that you can start as a beginner with 5,000 naira. And there are some apps that you can start with 1,000 naira. We have the Optimus, we have the the Carrywise. But I suggest that you start with the Stanbic as a beginner. I suggest that you start with the Stanbic. That's what I'm doing. I'm doing with the Stanbic. So you can start with the Stanbic. It is like this investment, sorry, this investment is very profitable. You are getting your yield. I think the one for this year is 21%, I think so, if I'm not mistaken. And then one thing with this investment also is that every quarter you are being paid. I was paid last quarter and I decided not to withdraw it. So you can decide to withdraw your quarterly, your dividend. You can decide to reinvest it anyhow at all. So mutual fund is one investment that you can start as a beginner with 5,000 naira. Just go to the bank, you fill in the forms, you drop your IDs, you drop your everything, and then you start depositing 5,000 naira. You have already opened the account, and before you know it, that 5,000 naira every month, you can be doing 5,000 naira every month. Yes, every month you can be putting in 5,000 naira. Every month you can be putting in 5,000 naira into that your mutual fund account, instead of just leaving your money in the bank. Instead of leaving that money in the bank, transfer it from your savings to your mutual fund, and then it will be yielding good interest for you. Guys, sorry. I'm just hope I'm even. Hope you guys can hear me. Please, if you can hear me, say hi. Yes, I'm sure you can hear me.